Hello everyone, welcome back to the Jasper Reports tutorial series. In the previous video, we designed a professional report. We added title, header, footer, and page number. So now in this video, we will take it one step further. We will make our table look more professional using alternate row colors. So why this is important? This is a very important question. Think about it. When your report has many rows, it becomes difficult to read. But when we use different colors, it becomes easy to read, looks clean, and give us a professional user interface. Then what we will do, in this video we will add background color for rows, apply conditional style for even and odd rows, make the table easier to read. So anyway, let's get started. So we created this report in the previous video. Today we want to add different colors for different rows. First, let's preview this. As you can see, we have simple report here. We want to add different colors for different rows. Let's switch to the design mode. Okay, first, as you can see, here we have outline, then we have styles. We want to create a new style for different colors. Right click on that. We have create style, and here we want to go to the advanced, and we want to go to the style. We want to change name of that, for example, alternate style or rose color. Okay, we want to select this one. So this was the first step. Next, right click on the alternate rose color. We want to create conditional style. Click on that. So, and here we want to go to the advanced. Here we have conditional expression. Click on that. Here we want to define simple expression to change even row colors. Simple. Whenever you want to define variable in Jasper reports, we have $V, and here we want to use predefined variable which is report count. Simple report count. So to change color of the even rows, we want to use modulus operator. If the report count modulus 2 equals 0, please change all the even rows color. Because the report count variable is a predefined variable in Jasper reports, it automatically counts how many records or rows are printed. So anyway, let's finish that. Thereafter, you want to set background color. You can use any color, there is no problem. But we want to use this color for now. And here we have another property, transparent. It has two values, true and false. We want to select false because we want to change even rows background color. So this was the second step. We added conditional expression to change even rows color. In the final step, let's select all of these fields. We want to select all. As you can see here, we have style. Select this style, alternate rose color. So everything is good and everything is finished. Let's save the changes. We want to preview the report to see the result. So we have an error. We want to fix that. And here we want to check this condition, which is expression. Let's check this. So there is no problem. The Jasper reports is very strict, and here we added a small space. Let's remove that. We want to finish that. Let's save the changes. Then we want to preview the report. As you can see now, we added different rows color. We added alternate rows color. There is no problem. Okay, that is good. As you can see, we added simple alternate rows color. First, we added the style. Inside that, we added conditional expression. There is no problem. Thereafter, we selected all the fields, and to these fields we added alternate rows color. Okay, because here we have style property. So in the 3 steps we finished the job. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.